Story Nest.
Timmy the tiger, with his bright orange stripes gleaming under the silvery moonlight, cautiously dipped a paw into the cool, flowing water of the jungle river. Beside him, Ellie the elephant gently lowered her trunk, the tip already playfully spraying droplets that caught the moonbeams like tiny diamonds. With a shared giggle, they waded deeper into the river. Schools of luminous fish, their scales shimmering with an inner light, darted around their legs. A wise old turtle, with moss growing on his shell, greeted them with a slow nod. Ellie's sharp eyes spotted something sparkling beneath the surface. She used her trunk to gently stir the sandy riverbed, revealing a collection of smooth, colorful stones that glowed with a soft, ethereal light. Further downstream, they encountered a family of playful otters, their sleek bodies gliding through the water with effortless grace. The otters chatted excitedly, showing Timmy and Ellie a hidden underwater cave. Inside the cave, crystals of all shapes and sizes sparkled, casting a magical glow on the cave walls. Timmy and Ellie exchanged amazed glances, their moonlit swim turning into an unforgettable adventure filled with friendly faces and shimmering wonders.